Let's make a jumbo raspberry fudge bliss blizzard. Curl. Yes, I always do the curl, it's a habit. Let's add 5 spoons of choco chunks. I swear this cup is so heavy I'm having cramps. Okay, now brownie dough time. Where are they? Loading. Found them. They used to be in the freezer under. Someone must have changed them. 5 spoons again. Let's add raspberries. Yummy. Fresh. I don't put 5 spoons of raspberry or my blizzard will be soggy. The sound it made law. Aggressively blend it. Cleaning the cup cause it's sticky. Scrape, scrape. This blizzard is so big. I wonder who can eat all of this.